today's video, I'll show you on how to use the Pinterest app. So, let's hop straight into the video. First, download the app. Then, click on the profile icon and create your account. Here you can change your profile icon, username, and add a website. Now we should be at the home page. And over time, based on your interest, the algorithm will build and change what appears here. This is called a pin. Pins are what make up Pinterest. And everything that you see on this homepage are different elements that make up your pins. So let's click on this right here. A couple of things that you'll notice here is who uploaded it and that you can save and like a pin. And of course, you'll have your comment section down below as well. And I want to give you another example of one. So let me scroll through here and pick one with more context on it. Okay, this one works. Here you have your title, description, and if you click the title, you'll have the link to whatever is on the post. This is great because most social media sites don't offer this, because they don't want you to leave their platform. Now if you like this pin, you can go ahead and click save. And now you can select where to put it. Because this design has to do with the brand, I'll put it underneath KT's merch ideas. But don't worry, I'll show you where this all goes. Now you also have the following tab. So let's head on over to my profile and then click view profile. Next, hit following. And now you can see who you all follow. Just like any other social media platform, and people can follow you. So far, we've covered your homepage, pins, and who you follow and your followers. Pinterest is a great search engine because it works just like Google. So for example, let's say you wanted to switch up your desk setup. Well, let's search office desk ideas at home. And now we've gotten a ton of different ideas on what desktop setup we could do. And then look at this. At the top, it gives you some categories from the category that you selected. I'm looking at the top here and you have shape and corner desk, and let's go with cubicle. So we can get some ideas this way. And I want to show you where these pins go. So I'm gonna select this one right here. Press and hold down. Then select what category you want to save it with. And I'll put this underneath the desk category. And now you've saved your first pin. Let's head back to our profile icon. And this is where all of your saved pins will be. What makes it super unique is that you can use boards to help you organize and create ideas. So let's create a board. Head on over to the top right hand corner and click the plus arrow. Then select board. Now let's title this based on the ideas that you have for it. I'm gonna name mine My First Board. And then hit create. Now for your board, Pinterest will want you to save at least one pin to it. And this is what it should look like. If you tap on your board and then scroll down, it will give you more ideas from photos to videos. So this is where all of our boards will be. And if I hit pins, this is where all of our pins are. You can create as many boards as you would like. And you can also create your own pin and then post it. So press the plus icon and then hit pin. Now select whatever photos or videos you would like to post. Review it to make sure it looks good, then hit next. Now let's add in our title. And I'll title this Google Notebook LM. You can also decide whether or not you would like to add a description, mention, or hashtag to your pin. Now let's add in our link here. Head on over to your video and then copy the link. Once you've copied the link, paste it in where it says link. Now if everything looks good, hit create. And this is what it should look like. Now if you click on the title, it'll take you straight to the link with the video. A cool feature about Pinterest that I know and love is that you can message people directly on the app. And that's how to use the Pinterest app. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Yeah, you did that one, KT.